The two sons of the late iconic filmmaker Ade Love had been estranged for years. Award-winning filmmaker Kunle Afolayan and his brother Aremu have reconciled. Despite their success in Nollywood, their relationship was strained. During their mother Omoladun's wake-keep ceremony, they ended their feud. This reunion marks a new chapter in their lives, filled with hope and collaboration. For over a year, the Afolayan brothers were embroiled in a bitter feud. What started as a minor disagreement quickly escalated into a full-blown conflict. Personal misunderstandings and public exchanges created a rift that seemed impossible to mend. The once inseparable siblings found themselves on opposite sides of a deep chasm, each convinced of their own righteousness. Friends and family watched helplessly as the brothers' relationship deteriorated. The feud spilled over into their professional lives, affecting their business ventures and social circles. Every attempt at reconciliation was met with stubborn resistance, and the wounds only deepened with time. The Afolayan brothers' story became a cautionary tale of how quickly love can turn to enmity. But tragedy has a way of bringing people together. The loss of their beloved mother, Omoladun Afolayan at 81, became the turning point for these brothers. In the midst of their grief, they found a renewed sense of unity and purpose. The bond they shared, once strained by life's challenges, was now stronger than ever. They realized that family was their greatest strength, and together they could overcome any obstacle. This moment of sorrow became a catalyst for change, inspiring them to honor their mother's legacy by supporting each other and working towards a brighter future. The funeral, though a time of mourning, marked the beginning of a new chapter in their lives, one filled with hope, resilience, and an unbreakable brotherly bond. During her funeral, Kunle and Aremu set aside their differences to honor the woman who had always been the cornerstone of their family. Amid the sorrow, the brothers found healing, choosing to rebuild their bond in memory of their mother. Now the Afolayan brothers are back on good terms, proving that family ties, no matter how strained, can always be repaired. From rivalry to reconciliation, Kunle and Aremu's journey reminds us that forgiveness is the greatest tribute we can pay to love. Jojo Lu, your source for viral entertainment.